Decide which way to go. Alright, what's that? Is it our robot lawnmower? It's his first time out for the season. He's trying to figure out what to do. With it running to me. Oh, no, it's going over there. Yeah, I do see that. It doesn't mean you should block it though, okay? When it's working, let it do its thing. Spring is here. The robot mower is back out. Will it have gotten smarter over winter or lethargic and dumb? Stay tuned to find out.